Okay. It's G from Maiden Murray. I'm here with Fred. This is Fred. Say hello, Fred. Hello. Fred helps save lives, and Kaylee here is in charge of Fred, and Kaylee knows her stuff. Kaylee's going to explain to me how to solve a problem that can save a child's life. Here we go. So you take Fred here and explain to us.
Choking is a big one while parents book onto our first aid classes, and it's really important to know the differences between gagging and choking.
So is this like maybe a child's got some sweet or some object or some food stuck in their throat or something?
If they're loud and red, that's good signs. You just want to encourage them to cough.
Okay.
If they've gone silent and blue, that is when they need help from you.
Okay.
So if your child goes silent and blue, that is choking.
Right.
So what you need to do is you need to get down on their level, lean them forward, then in between the shoulder blades, the heel of your hand, we're going to give 5 back blows. And it is firm.
Okay. So you can...
So I'll do this.
Okay. Bang. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Check in between to see if it's come out. If it's not dislodged, we need to move on to abdominal thrusts.
Okay. Okay. So at this moment, the child is probably they're not making a noise. They're blue. They're quiet.
They might even hold their neck.
Okay.
Then,
got that.
If you make a diamond in between your belly button and your rib cage,
got a square.
Yeah. And if you create a fist with your other hand.
Okay, so I'm like this.
Yeah, and it's an inwards and upwards motion.
Okay.
So it's like winding someone.
Oh, so, yeah. It's so like where you would punch someone to wind
so
them.
If someone came and did that to you really fat, like hard, anything that's there is going to come out.
Oh my gosh,
so that's what we're trying to achieve. So we would do this up to 5 times.
Yep.
So create a fist with your hand, other hand across, and an inwards and upwards motion.
Yeah. Oh!
And it came out. But you would do that up to 5 times. If after one cycle, so 5 back blows, 5 abdominal thrusts, if it's not come out, you need to call 999. But you just keep going with that 5, 5, 5.
Super.
Would you like to have a go?
Super. I'm not going to have a go because I'm not going to embarrass myself. But I want to ask Fred a question. Are you okay? How do you feel? I'm fine now. Okay, see, he's okay now. If you want the full course and all the professional advice, this is the lady here that you need to speak to, and you can reach her. Where can people reach you?
So I'm on Facebook, so it's Mini First Aid Highlands, Islands, and Murrayshire, and the website's www.highlands.minifirstaid.co.uk.
There you go. Don't delay. Contact today.